was cool.
Very awesome.
Getting dressed. I think when the snow is around, the temperatures are about 0. The fuel is here. It's not that cold, to be honest. Tighter. Those things are just drifting down. Incredible. Is it possible cup of coffee?
Yeah, I suppose so.
Something, yeah, like that. Hello, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Fine, fine. Yeah, so it's nice place, very picturesque,
Yeah.
but warm. So
Yeah.
global warming is there.
Yes. You can step after the winter.
Uh-huh.
So-
Jack! It's like it's the right shape. You see, from left to the right. Time to go. Thank you very much. Bye bye.
So we need no clearance for this start, yeah? Yeah. Battery goes on. Clear prop.
November Golf Tango, thank you.
Or Golf Tango.
407. This is gonna be bumpy, mate. Again, the center, November 404.
920, Gander Center, good day.
He obviously can't hit. I don't even know if he's on this frequency.
2907 with Juliet.
Let's see.
Remember 404 Golf Tango, Gander Center, honey, read.
November 404 Golf Tango, November 404 Golf Tango, yeah, reading you now.
It seems like he doesn't hear us.
0.4, how do you read?
Yeah, we can hear him perfectly well, it makes no sense. Number 404 Golf Tango again.
Okay, November 404 Golf Tango, we are 42 nautical miles southwest of Hoist. Again, ascent to November 404 Golf Tango, how do you read?
Number 404 Golf Tango, loud and clear, squawk code 2407.
Agenda Center, November 404 Golf Tango.
Sir, you can start, we just need full fuel.
How many tons? Just
Two, yeah, right and left.
What's the price of fuel here?
The F-gas, it is 3.385 per liter.
Liter?
Yes.
Okay, that's about the same as Europe.
That's expensive.
Cheaper than Iceland.
Yeah. Canadian ice cream. Moose sandwich. Ready? Set. Go. Lima, runway 08. Pittsburgh ground, November 404 Golf Tango request.
2985.
2985, start up on discretion, November Golf.
That's done, that's done.
Ground, November Golf Tango request, taxi.
November, direction 40. Let's try that again. November 404 Golf Tango, runway 08 shortened. Wind 100 at 7. Altimeter is 2984. Would you like intersection departure from Charlie with 3,000 feet? Delta 5,400 feet remaining.
Delta's good, I think.
Or Foxtrot with 8,200.
Delta is good, November Golf Tango N2985 on altimeter, November Golf Tango.
404 Golf Tango, taxi Papa Delta.
November 404 Golf Tango, taxi Papa Delta.
Cool. Out where we came to the right.
Yeah.
Tango position 7, 8 miles now southwest of the field. Resume your own navigation to Alcop.
So the customs is not working in Burlington, right?
Yeah, because we're slightly late today.
And they cannot extend, is it what Liam says?
Yeah, I'll find out. I'll ask him.
Yeah, if he could try to extend, why not? We are just between thin layer of clouds underneath the nebulous. Ah, very interesting. It's like a tunnel. But did he ask it about extension?
Yes, he said I asked that already, they won't extend.
Denver Center, good afternoon, November 404 Golf Tango.
November 404 Golf Tango, Gander Center, good evening. Do you want to stay on the block or do you want a hard altitude now, 10,000?
What do you want?
Block is good, let's keep
Block is good, November 404 Golf Tango. And we have a request, we would like to change our destination.
4 Golf Tango, roger, I copy your request, just stand by 1.
Confirm clear to Bangor from present, November Golf Tango.
4 Golf Tango, affirmative.
Okay, direct to Bangor, thank you very much, November Golf Tango.
Welcome to the USA.
4 Golf Tango, roger.
Yeah, it's not USA yet, but still nice. Yeah. I don't know, how many miles is that?
Encore 3423.
500 miles?
600 miles.
540.
Did he speak to us?
No.
Do you want to change low?
550 miles from present. Just a shortcut. Why not? And the block altitude 3,000 feet. You say your headset is making noise,
There's
right?
like a just request deviation to the right.
I think it's the same, man.
I want to see if we can go behind it.
Okay, yeah, let's
And
try.
if not, then we can...
What heading do you want?
Just give me
300?
30 degrees right.
30 degrees to the right.
Yep.
Again, the center, November 404 Golf Tango. Request 30 degrees to the right to avoid weather.
I think I might have lost him. He said we needed to contact him 13545 at 2154. Try him now.
The other one, yeah?
Yeah.
Bridge 90 heading now 200.
Is it Gander as well?
Yeah, it's the same guy, I think.
Gander Center, November 404 Golf Tango Dury.
4 Golf Tango, got you there now.
4 Golf Tango, 10,000 feet, and we request right heading 300 to avoid.
Bridge 908, final heading there now of 260.
30 degrees to the right.
300 is enough?
Just 30 degrees to the right, doesn't need to be.
4 Golf Tango, 10,000 feet, and we are deviating weather, current heading 295. We'll call you when ready to resume.
4 Golf Tango, check your deviate for weather and check your air control airspace at this time.
Perfect.
Copy, thank you, November Golf Tango.
There's a nice gap there.
Yeah, that's true, yeah, looks like.
liaison 609, parce qu'après, descendez à 8 000 pieds, l'altimètre à Québec 2976.
Montreal, good evening, November 404 Golf Tango. Montreal, November 404 Golf Tango, do you read? Yeah, they don't hear us. Oh, yeah, let's try later. Boston, November 404 Golf Tango. It was is it what he said? Boston, November 404 Golf Tango with you, just to confirm, 12475.
Golf Tango, actually remain on this frequency.
Okay, staying with you, November Golf Tango. Yeah, they say 4 Golf Tango, and we say November Golf Tango.
Yeah, that's it, they just make it, because all there is November here, so
yeah.
Just they'll abbreviate it and just, yeah.
4 Golf Tango, yeah. York approach, good evening, November 404 Golf Tango, 8,500 feet inbound, Teterboro, information mic.
404 Golf Tango, new approach, altimeter 2988.
2988, November 404 Golf Tango.
6 Fox Alpha, contact approach 128.55, have fun.
Have fun. Lucky to New York, New York. I be busy too crazy, I was so lazy.
404 Golf Tango, are you landing at Peterborough?
Confirm landing at Peterborough, request descent.
Why are you at 8,500 feet?
Because...
Yeah. So, cleared for descent, confirm?
No, you're not going into the Bravo. Circle to descend outside of the Bravo.
Copied, circling left to descend outside of the Bravo, November 404 Golf Tango, sorry for this.
25050, descend and maintain 2000.
Welcome to New York.
Peterborough Tower, good evening, November 404 Golf Tango, information mic inbound for visual, runway 19.
Transfer 404 Golf Tango, checking in.
I confirm, November 404 Golf Tango.
Transfer 404 Golf Tango, roger, make straight in for 19. Peterborough, altimeter 2987, say Falcon.
2987. 2987, copied and straight in for visual runway 19, November 404 Golf Tango.
Meridian.
Transfer 4 Golf Tango, I'm not understanding where you're parking. Say again?
We are parking with Meridian handling.
Thank you, Meridian.
We need to go to customs. Do you know which one we need to go to by any chance?
Do you have to go to customs at Hangar 1 or you need to go to customs at Jet Aviation?
Is Hangar 1 still open at this time?
I am not for sure. I'll just take you to Hangar 1. So 404 Golf Tango, taxi via Papa Lima to customs or Hangar 1. That's the last building of your left, north side of that building.
Okay, perfect. We'll taxi Papa Lima, Hangar 1 to customs, and we'll just start engines again. Thank you.
Come chat. Lee needs to go up and get straight to you.
Hello. How you doing? Fine, yourself? Morning everyone, today we have a new adventure. We're gonna fly over New York. New York.
Do we need to get the aircraft for fueling or?
No, you don't need to.
Awesome, okay.
It's gonna be a nice trip. Oh, we go to Florida.
Can you make it in one shot?
Yeah, we hope. All the way. Teterboro is busy, planes depart like every 2 minutes. It's in a very close vicinity to New York.
All pilots follow noise abatement procedures. Read my code short instructions. Advise on initial contact. You have information, Charlie.
Sean.
Spirit delivery, good day, November 404 Golf Tango at Meridian with Charlie 2980, request departure clearance.
And calling Teterboro clearance, say call sign.
November 404 Golf Tango.
November 404 Golf Quebec.
November 404 Golf Tango.
What was the price of the fuel?
I don't know. Let me see where I put it.
You said 1,000?
No, $1,800.
For how many liters or gallons? What did they charge?
252 gallons.
252 gallons. Wait. 1,800. 1,800.
6 Mike November, Philly approach, 119er75.
$7 per gallon. That's not that cheap.
No, it's not the cheapest.
Not the cheapest one, but still okay. And they didn't charge for that handling, which is quite efficient. Pick up from hotel, delivery to the hotel. Yeah.
That's good.
Everything is on time and... Alright. The weather is looking more or less good. Maybe some cloud surfing.
Yeah, could be. Could be.
Okay, continue. Straight ahead, then echo to the right. And hold short of that one.
Academy ramp with X.
So that's it, guys. Leave comments. Tell us what you like, what you don't like.
A lot of training going on here. And our flight is finished. It was me, Konstantin Fedchenko, and Jack Godwin! Guys. With Aviation Sales International. Join aviation community, learn to fly, buy aeroplanes, and enjoy this life. It's good to have friends in America, and we just made a friend. The guy from the nearby shop gave us this car to take the stuff out, the beer. Now it's time to finish it.
Mates,
let's go.
And roll. It's the best part of a ferry, this, isn't it?
Are you rolling with my homies? Yeah.